central LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from Dixon to Amboy to Mendota, all moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. At 3:40 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported in Mendota with these storms. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Rochelle, Sandwich, Shabbona, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, Hillcrest, Maple Park, Malta, Leland, Paw Paw, Creston, Lee, Compton, and Stewart. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 105. Interstate 88 between mile markers 71 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University and Sandwich Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.